Blue skies means fun days. Helping skydivers with tips and techniques about safety, training and fun jumping from those who know.
So with our seatbelts, we've connected. When we get to our 2,000 feet and we've disconnected, we've noticed some people have actually reconnected seatbelts. This can pose a bit of a problem. Once the doors open and people start exiting, someone may put their foot through the now closed seatbelt. When they go to exit, they're now stuck. To prevent this from happening, keep your seatbelt open and tucked out of the way.
For more tips and techniques, click subscribe.